Hi everyone, I am Shahan Daik. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will discuss about vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency has several symptoms like number 1, dizziness. You will feel dizzy, you will feel high, you will have high temperature, and you will have mood changes. Sometimes you may also have pale and jaundiced skin, and the most important vitamin B12 deficiency symptom is glossitis or the mouth ulcer. You always have when you have glossitis or mouth ulcer, the doctor always prescribe you vitamin B12 capsule Bicosils. So you can remember from there glossitis. So how will be your vision? Your vision will also be disturbed. You will feel fatigue, you will feel weak, you will sometimes feel pain and sometimes sensation of pins and needles. Thank you.